scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Physical capital questions get easy fast when you sort resources by what is man-made and used to produce other goods. So watch this quick breakdown. Physical capital means man-made resources used in production, not income, not natural resources, and not workers. So start by asking which choice is a created tool businesses use. A tractor used in farming fits perfectly because it is manufactured and helps produce crops, which makes it a classic example of physical capital. So option E jumps out. Meanwhile, earnings and money are financial resources, fish are natural resources, and an unskilled worker is labor, so none of those count here. Well done! Scan now. The trap is rushing past category words. The rule is trust the given definition and check each choice against it.